It has come to my attention that most of you still do not understand basic technical concepts. So today we are going to talk about computer communications in this learning moment. We're going to talk about 4 parts: MAC addresses, IP addresses, switches, and routers. First and foremost, MAC addresses are for switches and switching, i.e. on the local network. IP addresses are for routers and inter-network communications. If you're communicating on the local network, you switch from device to device via the switch. The switch is the piece of hardware. It is also the verb. It is switching. If you are going between networks, that is routing. The verb is routing. The piece of equipment is the router. You switch with MAC addresses, i.e. the hardware address, which is the address associated with your NIC card, and you route with IP addresses going from device to device, where this is not a hardware address, although it is typically associated with either a physical or a virtual piece of hardware as a holistic machine, not just a single piece of physical hardware. I know this all seems very confusing, but if you just take one step back, it's actually not so bad. Say I want to go from this computer that has this IP address to this computer that has this IP address. Because they're on 2 different networks, we have to route between them. So you go from the NIC to the switch, which sends it to the router, which routes it to the other network, which sends it to the switch, which sends it to this device. And you can have any number of routers in between. This is how the internet works. I've done videos in the past of the OSI model, which walks you through the entire process, and I will probably make another one of those shortly following up on this. Hope that helps. Questions or comments below. Follow for more. If you want more help learning about basic technical concepts and how to start a career in technology, go join my free school community with the link in my bio.